Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, look, I know y'all see it's 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't know what y'all don't understand. Like, I post minimum 10 uploads, 10 videos under 24 hours. So the grind don't stop. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. Obviously I'm a little exhausted, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm sitting here still trying to figure out, like, why are you spending 8 hours a day scrolling on YouTube when you could just subscribe to upnextmalyt and watch all the YouTube videos in the world and turn on post notifications and don't miss one of them. We got FlightReacts finally explains why he never met Steph Curry. We all know FlightReacts is one of the biggest Steph Curry fans in the world. Make sure y'all go support D Green also, man. Y'all know I rock with D Green, O'Shea Jackson. You know, it's a lot of people that y'all see on here consistently. Nino Brown. It's a lot of people that I react to a lot. So shout out to D Green. Make sure I go support him. Let's get straight to it. Let's go.
When you go,
Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I can turn this. See if I can turn this light down or some shit. Damn. Oh, not that black. I'm too black for that. I'm way too black for that. Okay, y'all. That's way better for my eyes. God damn.
meet Curry.
Shit, bro, it's coming soon. It's under the table, but now it's happened multiple times this year.
You know, I can shoot him a DM. He follow me and shit.
Yeah, nah, he's been since like 2020 for me. I just like, with me, I don't really be liking to like ass like that.
Man, that Curry is the coolest, bro. No bullshit.
Nah, I believe you, bro.
If you just hit that up and be like, man, look, bro, I'm in the Bay. Play me 1-on-1 to 5.
Yeah,
I know that nigga do it.
Bro, it's my motherfucking, like, it's not an ego thing, bro. It's just more of just like the self-made shit, bro. I just hate, like, with me, I just hate asking somebody else, like, you know, unless we've known each other all, like, mutually for a minute and shit. But it's just like, I don't know, bro. It'd be a combination of overthinking too. I don't know if I'd be tripping or not, like.
Yeah, but Curry is Curry though, bro.
Yeah, you're right.
Like, you can lose a little aura fucking with Curry though, cause it's Curry. It's cool, man.
That's a fact. Literally everything.
It's Curry, nigga. Like, I can see if it was like Iguodala or something, you know. And then it's like, all right, nigga, but yeah, it's Curry. You feel me? It's like, that nigga cool as fuck though. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, no, I believe it. His team, the Under Armour brand, they be sending me shit like every month.
Of course.
Yeah, no, it's happening with a few weeks ago. Gotta have some shit this year. I can't really speak about it. It's supposed to be like on the table. Like off the camera, I can tell.
Oh, type shit. Motion.
It's coming real soon. I could have been made it happen over the last years. It's just a combination of being shy and not wanting to ask, other people or something.
Nah, you can make this. I already know you can make it happen. When you want to do it, type shit.
Yeah.
That shit gonna be headlines, nigga. You know what I want to see you in though?
Yeah, what?
Please, bro, cause I'm going for it.
What, the NBA?
NBA All-Star
Oh, the
celebrity game, bro.
Man,
I don't know why I haven't seen you in it yet.
Bro, I don't know either. That I can't control. I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga, I'm trying to.
You don't know why.
Sometimes, bro, you gotta just start pulling up, bro. I know you. Hold on. Yeah, you can let him in.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Nigga, sometimes, bro, gotta just ask, bro.
Yeah. But the next one in LA.
I know, nigga. I went to San Francisco to do like this little event or whatever, this little 2K event. And then I was talking to what's the name? The nigga that run the All-Star shit.
Yeah.
And I told him, like, bro, I'm trying to be in this bitch. He's like, all right, we'll talk. Got his number, connected me with my manager. I'm finna make that shit happen. I have to play in that game. Cause the niggas that be playing be ass though. Like, it's like, all right, bro, let a nigga like me get on the All-Star game, nigga. I'ma really try though.
I ain't gonna lie, Jim. If I get in that bit, I'm going for the record, some type of record, an assist record, steals record. I want my name to be in like some damn book of that shit.
Nigga, that's mandatory, bro. Easy.
I respect Curry, y'all, you know, and everything, bro. Shook his head like a man and everything like that. But I said, when
this dude said FlightReacts is 5'11". Like, bro, how the f you know my height and you've never met me before? Like I'm 5'11". How you gonna tell me how tall I am? You've never met me before.
Go do a video. He said, very soon. And he smiled.
Wait, did I just mute myself? No, we good.
So, shook his head like a man, everything like that. But I said, when you in flight, go do a video. He said, very soon. And he smiled. So, yeah. Cap!
Now, I ain't gonna lie. The leak about it was crazy, Cash, but W. I've been knowing about this for about maybe a month. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even supposed to be talking about it like dead ass. I'm not even trying to like say that to sound cool. There's not one, but there's multiple things involving Curry this year. Shh, you only heard it here, guys. You only heard it here. I can't speak about, you know what I'm saying? I can't, literally can't. Just wait.
I'm sorry.
No, this is Jay right
Just
here.
wait.
Bro, like, that's Curry.
The time has come. Thanks to you guys, FTC, man.
Yeah, man.
When I'm able and if able to speak about it, I will obviously update you guys, but I can't. You know what I'm saying? It's not worth messing up opportunity for leaking, but
So, yeah. Give me a flight, go ahead.
you heard it only in the stream, nigga. You only heard it here. Don't say nothing to nobody else, please, chat.
I have some type of collaboration going on.
All right, let's go.
I don't know what it is, but he smiled. He said very soon. So, yeah.
He's so hell, bro. Hey, look. I'm sorry. I'm smacking in a bit. You gotta understand, bro. Bro. Number one, all I do is work all day. You know what I'm saying? I don't get to eat. So when I come home and I post YouTube videos, my only chance to eat. Because when am I not posting YouTube videos? If I'm not posting a YouTube video, I'm posting an Instagram video. If I'm not posting an Instagram video, I'm posting a TikTok. So when do I get the chance to eat? I get a chance to eat when I react. Excuse me. That's the only time, bro. So my apologies, y'all. But y'all heard it here as well. Y'all heard it on Deep. Y'all heard it from Flight first. Y'all heard it from Cash first. Then y'all heard it from Flight. Now y'all heard it from D Green. Now y'all hearing it from me. You know what I'm saying? Because we reacting to the video. Make sure we hit this 8-minute mark, y'all. Next video.